Erica, I want to come up to you and ask you to highlight one example that you'd like to tell the listening audience.
Great, thank you. I think I'll go with the prototype that we did this past year that we partnered with the Defense Innovation Unit and the JAIC to accomplish. We're actually in the process now of deploying this into production. So one of the very first automations we built for RPA was actually an automation that was doing the data entry into an accounting system to clear unmatched transactions. And it was just the data entry piece. And even as we built that automation, which was saving a significant amount of time for the groups that were using it, we recognized there was still a lot of time and effort being spent on doing the research for identifying what is the corrective action that needs to happen. What is that entry that needs to occur in the accounting system to clear that unmatched? So that was always on our list from early days of circling back to say, hey, is there additional opportunity to use other technology to make a more robust, impactful solution for our agencies? So what we did is we used machine learning and a lot of the data that is already consumed on a regular basis in Advana, which is the DoD's advanced data analytic platform, to basically build models and mature models that can predict based on how prior unmatched transactions were cleared, how we can now clear new unmatched transactions that have come into the queue. So that was our initial use case. We've built that out, we've proven it, and now we're in the process of deploying that out to defense agencies in DoD, and we're excited to get that in the hands of the users. And one thing I will note, I know we've talked about this and other people have mentioned it, in that process, we're using RPA, we're also using machine learning. And what's really good about that is you can use the models and you can also build a human in the loop. So, where we're getting some people that maybe have never used this technology involved in this for the first time, there's, a comfort level and some confidence that needs to be built. So as we have the models predicting what are those corrective actions that then the RPA portion can take over and actually perform, you can build in, and we are building in human in the loop. So it would review to make sure that what's being proposed is in fact correct before it gets into the accounting system. So we're excited to get this one rolled out and put into production.